Hello friends, this is Suran Subramaniam here, Commodity Fundamental Analyst from Choice Security Broking Private Limited, and today I'll be talking about through agriculture commodities. Among the agriculture commodities, the first commodity that I will have to touch upon is on guar seed, and guar seed prices has majorly traded on the higher zone, majorly because of reports of lower sowing in the major states of Gujarat and Rajasthan. So far, based on IMD reports, the northwest of India, majorly the states of Gujarat and Rajasthan, has witnessed lower rainfall compared to the previous year and lower rainfall compared to the normal estimates. This has eventually led to lower sowing reports in the major states of Gujarat and Rajasthan. In addition to that, there has been reports of lower stocks in the domestic markets as the production from last year has been reported to be lower. Furthermore, the guar seed prices are expected to remain bullish in the coming week, majorly due to expectancy of higher demand in the domestic markets. The demand for guar seed and guar gum is expected to be higher as the global markets is recovering from the COVID-19 situation, and there has been a boost of economic activities in the global markets. Moreover, demand for guar gum is also expected to be higher in the state of United States as the production of crude oil, especially the US shale production, is expected to be higher on a week-on-week basis, which will eventually support the guar gum prices. In addition to that, the stocks has been reported to be lower on a week-on-week basis, that is basically for crude oil, which is expected to keep the prices of crude oil in a bullish zone. This will eventually support the guar seed and guar gum prices in the near future. Overall, I am expecting a bullish trend in guar seed and guar gum futures, majorly due to the lower sowing reports and expectancy of lower production in the coming weeks, as we are reaching the final phase of the Kharif sowing period, and 15th of August onwards we can expect the yield period, and by 15th of September onwards we can witness the initial harvest season in the Kharif crop commodity section. This is expected to keep the guar seed and guar gum prices in the bullish zone, and the prices of guar seed is expected to move up to 4,200 levels in the week ahead, while in the case of guar gum the prices can move up to 6,800 to 7,000 levels in the week ahead. The second commodity that I will have to touch upon is on castor seed, and castor seed has majorly traded sideways in the past couple of weeks, majorly due to no major demand or supply situation in the local mandis, as the traders are majorly still stuck up in the lockdown situation. Looking ahead, we can expect that the castor seed futures to trade on the lower zone, majorly due to lower demand in the domestic market, especially for castor oil. In addition to that, the sowing reports in the state of Gujarat and Rajasthan has been reported to be higher. In the state of Gujarat, the sowing reports has been reported to be higher by 18 to 19% compared to the previous year, which is approx 2.8 lakh hectares. While in the case of Rajasthan, it has been reported to be higher by 51% to 92,000 hectares. This is a clear indication that the castor seed prices is expected to remain bearish in the near future. Though the rainfall situation has not been good in Gujarat and Rajasthan, but then castor seed as a crop requires relatively lower water as compared to other kharif crops such as soybean and cotton, which will eventually support the yield factor in the domestic markets. Lastly, the castor seed sowing is likely to be completed by 31st of August, and we are expecting that the castor seed sowing to be higher this year compared to the previous year, which will eventually improve the forecast of higher production this year compared to the previous year by approx at least 10 to 15% compared to the previous year. Overall, I am expecting a bearish trend in NCDX castor seed futures, and prices are expected to touch down to 3,800 levels in the week ahead. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy trading week.